Hello everyone, welcome to MK Gaming Arena. This video is for every gamer and especially for all the PVZ Fusion lover who want to download the English version on Android device. Today in this video I will show you two safe and easiest method to download PVZ Fusion English version 3.0 on your Android device. Make sure to watch the full video and follow the methods that feel easiest for you. By the way, the new PVZ Fusion 3.1 version is out, but right now it is not available in English yet on mobile device. It is only available in PC. So today we will download the latest English version 3.0. So make sure to watch the full video and follow the method that feels easiest for you. Let's get started. Open the Play Store and search for Discord. Install it if you haven't already. I already have it installed, so I will open it directly. Open Discord and log in or create a new account if you are new. Once you are inside, you will see an interface like this. Now tap the plus icon to join a server. Press join a server. Here type the server ID exactly as I do. You can also copy the server ID from the description. Check it out and copy the ID and go to Discord and paste the ID. After you copy and paste the server ID, press the join with invite link option. Press go to server option. After joining the server, you will see a screen like this. Scroll down and tap Fusion Others download option. Inside this, click PVZ Fusion version 3. You will see the interface like this. Inside this channel, scroll up and search for the click here to download option. Press that option and visit site. You will redirect to your browser. Here you can see PVZ version 3.0. Scroll down and find PVZ Fusion APK. You can identify the correct APK by the size, around 487 MB. Tap it and your download will start. I have already downloaded it. Wait for it to finish. Once it's done, open the APK and press install. If your device asks for the permission, allow it and install it. After installation, close the browser, open the game and enjoy playing PVZ Fusion. With this method 1, you can download PVZ Fusion as well as PVZ mode and upcoming release of PVZ Fusion. If you are not a Discord user and want a direct download method, then this method is for you. First, open Chrome or any browser you use. Go to the search bar and type PVZ Fusion version 3.1 download and search it. Scroll down and look for the GitHub link. Tap on it. Once the page opens, here you can see the 3.1 version, but this version is not for mobile device, this is for PC. So scroll down to the 3.0 Android English release version 2. Press PVZ Fusion 3.0.1 Android English release version 2. After pressing it, scroll down to the 3.0 assist section where you can find the APK file. Click on the APK file and your download will start. I have already installed it, so that's why it shows this message on my screen. Wait until download finished. After download completes, open the APK and install the game. After installing, close the browser and open the game. Enjoy the latest version of PVZ Fusion 3.0. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and share with your friends, as well as don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates and gaming videos.